Here is a Sparrow Rewards Mastercard review. A Sparrow credit card can guide you to overlook and unreserve your earns. There is no hidden fees because some cards hit you with fees. In Sparrow, there is none. You can earn money for making monthly payments, and there are credit lines that grow with you. This is also a journey to financial freedom, and also you can go ahead and make a guide positive credit history through on time. As you can see, you can also earn money for making monthly payments because this actually gives you a right to earn more. Now, to have this, all you need to do is to click on the login options. Once you click on the login options, you can now go ahead and put on the essentials such as your mobile number, or you can contact their support. By contacting their support, you can tell them that you wanted to have one.